Hi guys, welcome to part 2 of my backtesting and learning backward strat. I'm gonna backtest. I've been tape reading. I tape readed a month. I've got a good amount of data. How many trades is this? Got 27 trades worth of data. We got 59% win rate. I realized R 38, so it is profitable so far, but we've only got 20 trades, so we want to definitely take this over for more trades. But what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be testing the open. Oh, okay. What am I thinking? We're going to test the open range breakout of Asia and gold. So I'm going to test it. Oh, yeah, kind of Asia gold. And we're just gonna trade it. We're gonna do this whole year, from the start of this year to now, and we're gonna do it off of like a $500 account balance. I don't know, you guys are probably like, you're not gonna make much off of $500, but we're gonna test it because I don't have a big live account. I don't have a job, so I am willing to only put $500 on the line, but it's okay because it would be 0.1 or 0.01 lob size, like that. Don't mind my dog at the door. Can this load? I'm just gonna pause and let it load for a second. Okay, don't mind me guys, just eating up all of my data, but okay, we're gonna do the open range breakout strat. So we're gonna go start of the Asia session. Where are we at? Trying to see if there's any fair value gaps that we've bounced off of. There's this one down here. My trades are still loading. I'm using my hotspot because the Wi-Fi's not working. It's just so annoying. The patience I have to have. Okay, we're going to sync time frames. So what we want to see is the 15-minute candle closure. Oh, now the rectangle wants to work. Okay, we're going to see the 15-minute candle closure. I don't get it. Did it close? Gonna go to the 1 minute. Gonna turn the sync time frames off. Go 1 minute and then. Okay. Well, it is closed. I don't like that we haven't got our buys because we disrespected this one here. So I guess that means that we're bearish. We'll just see. We'll see. Gonna draw our fibs. OTE. We got our OTE zone. Let me just change the colors because I can't see. My patience is running so thin right now. Why can't I see any of the levels? Oh, there we go. Okay. I want to see a candle closure out. We got it. Let's go down in time frames. Look for the fair value gap. Okay, we don't have a fair value gap. Okay, here we go. We got the fair value gap here. We just inversed it though. Okay, we've traded out of the fair value gap. This is a mess. Let's just see how that works. Find the 1 hour. What's the next level of structure? On the 1 hour, it's far. What about the 30-minute? I guess you could say it's this Fair Valley gap that we're about to enter into. Okay, let's see how this goes. Let me just... Okay. Stop loss here, but where did it go to? Went to this next level of structure here. It was really clean to there. Okay, we're gonna take a photo of that. Wait, and I want to make another database. This is all in the notes of my... What's it called? This is all in the notes of my trading base. Here. This is my journal. And then it's in the notebook. And then it's my Asia Gold. Trade 1. And then any notes. Okay. Oh, this is live charts. I don't really see anything. Trade not won. Reversed at 2-minute low. We're down $2. So we reversed at the 2-minute low. Trade was not won. Let's go to the next day. And we'll see if there's like a pattern. That's what we're trying to do is pattern recognition here. Okay, let's see the 4 hour. We again inverse these Fair Valley gaps here, so we're looking for sells. But we have come in and we've respected this Fair Valley gap here. We have not closed above it. Oh, we closed below it, and so we're looking for sells. First 15-minute candle. Oh wait, this isn't... That wasn't the time zone. Not the timing, it wasn't the opening. I'm not gonna lie, I really want to see this strategy like work. Looks like we just inverse this Fair Valley gap here. Again, inverse this one here, so let's see. 15-minute has closed. Wouldn't it be like this that we're looking? Wait. Yeah, like that, I swear. Ignore how messy this looks for a second, please. Okay, we're just gonna keep running it up. This doesn't really do anything for me. Doesn't give me anything. Let's see if we can find a... Here's a nice one. Let's see. I think that's what we're going to do. We're just going to play with the open range breakout one, and then if we don't see it, then we're going to look for this one. Okay, cool. Stop loss hit. I don't know, I see it as a 2 minute, but I didn't look at the 1 hour. I feel like identifying the trends with structure is better than identifying the trends with the fair value gaps, in my opinion, because the structure is pretty bullish. That's my opinion. So I would just write this one off as against trend. I'll still put it in my data because there's going to be times where I make mistakes, so I want to make sure I'm accounting for those times in my data. It was the highest -1. Alright. Okay. 10:30, that's going to be my cutoff time. Start of Asia the next day. 1 hour trend is bullish. This is our buy POI. Okay, I'm going to do this until the first 15 minutes. There we go, we got our 15-minute high and low. We're bullish in my viewpoint, so I'm looking for I'm looking for a pullback to here. There we go. Oh, pretty close below it. Didn't really get what I wanted to see. I don't like that strat. I don't think that's bad. Gonna be targeting a lot, but we had the accumulation, manipulation, distribution. I'm gonna try a long here. The risk is gonna be high. But I like it here. Okay. Cool. Do like that one. It's just my strat. That's my strat. Like, there's nothing more to say. Like, that's just my strat. That's how I trade. Like, I don't do the open range breakout. Like, that's just, like, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. See if we pick up on any patterns though, because I did notice that the open range breakout, it did deliver to the first bit when it made sense. We're not playing off of any fair value gaps here. We got bullish structure. So it's our next buy POI. I guess you could say this is our next sell POI. So when we're in between here, I want to be smart with my decisions. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's the first 15 minutes. So from 8 to this. This is what we're looking at here. Actually, I don't think that was even the... Okay, OTE. We got from here to here. Oh, it's not first 15 minutes yet. Okay, now that's our first 15 minutes. Okay, we're in that OTE there. We failed it. Looks like we're delivering off of... Would you even classify that as an AMD? No, that just looked like a trend reversal. So we had that OTE from the first 15 minutes fail. We had a change of character. Could wait if like a retest of this. What I was thinking is like the reason I wanted to enter in here, but I was like, wait, let me see if we can maybe confirm this as an order block and start trading down, but didn't want to. Okay, that looks good. I don't like that it low-key inverse the fair value gap, but I don't think that looks bad. We got that change of character after we came in. This is the first 15 minutes. High and low, we came into the OTE, we failed it. We retraced in respect to this fair value gap while having a change of character, and then we chopped around whatever, and then we started delivering. I was waiting for this to be a confirmed order block. Now we've kind of got a confirmed order block here. And when I say order block, I'm just saying like, if I see a candle engulf the previous candle, like that's how I'm like basically saying that it's an order block. We'll go to the next. Well, do we have any manipulation? Can we use the standard deviations? I mean, you could say this is our manipulation move here. The targeting, like I couldn't really tell you what the strat is here. Let's just see. Came out order, okay. We just hit 2. We hit standard deviation 2. Oh, it hit the rest though. What can I do with that information? There's not much I can do with that information. We hit standard deviation 2. We were manipulated. We came down. Oh, it stopped me out though. That's like another test thing. So we had... I'm just gonna write it on here. Load. I'm gonna write it down here. Read the open first 15-minute candle OTE fail with change character with a fair value gap respect, and then waited for a order block to form shorter to the standard deviation 4 based off of the order block leg. So I'm just gonna readjust my position. We're genuinely like going off of vibes here, like not genuinely fully, but we are like, we're just testing, we're just playing around at this point. We're just playing around. Well, I'm actually putting in the orders because I'm like, may as well. Oh, it's only 9. Wait, I want to see. Where did it hit? Alright. Okay. Alright. Looking at 9 o'clock here. A AMD long would be so fire here. We are chopping. That would have been so fire if we wanted to reverse. This actually hurts. This looks okay. I don't mind this. So we got the AMD, we're above the buy POI. I actually like this. I do like this one. I like this one a lot. It's waiting for this buy order to be made. Or this buy stop, or I don't even know. Hello? Please submit my order. Hello? There we go. There we go. Oh. I did like that one. What time was it at? It was at 11. But no, I actually like that one. I would take that one again. But maybe my cutoff time will have to be like 10:30. Oh, it didn't want to upload. Okay. Hello? Now I've got that ugly ass line in the middle. I'm just not being patient enough. Realize R is -1. It's okay though, I actually like that one. I like my AMD, like, I don't like the... I just need to figure out, like, if an AMD fails, or, like, if we don't get one, like, I need to figure out what happens then. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make the cutoff time 10:30. Okay, I can't do it in the future. Okay, no point in having that then. Okay, I'm gonna identify the trend. I'm pretty bullish. Buys above here. Sells below here. We could go either direction here. Because we could have confirmation of a new trend, or we could continue with the other one. I'm just gonna look for my AMD. I'm sorry, I don't like this orb stuff. It just doesn't make any sense. Okay. Okay, we made our first low to high, and then we get a break of structure of that, or a break of that level. Interesting. Okay, so we are displacing here. Look for a pullback to OTE. With a break, and then we had that change of direction. Hello, change it to my OTE. Actually, like, this makes me want to crash out. Like, because why? Why are we still showing devs when I've clicked OTE? I think it's just because I'm recording. I'm gonna have to stop recording in a minute because I'm gonna crash out. Like, it's gonna happen. I'm just gonna have to eyeball this then. Do you want to see a pullback? Okay. Oh, kind of like a continuation sequence. Got kind of like a MD here. Now it wants to do OTE when I want it to do the freaking standard deviations now. Try my best not to get rage baited, guys. I really am. Okay, we'll see if this plays out. If it doesn't, it does, and if it does, it does. Just seeing it do its thing. Peace and love, guys. Peace and love. Okay, it's finally created my order. Finally. Okay, this is at 9:30. Oh. I love that. Okay, well, I'm gonna get off now because it's taking too long to load. But this is my update on my strategy. There's gonna be many more trades that I lose, so I'm honestly not mad that I'm losing trades. I'm just more mad that it's taking so long to load. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this another video. There's so many now. Like, what is this? This is my testing the orb, testing Gold Asia, and then yeah, just so many different ones. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will speak to you guys in my next video. Bye.